everyone. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the GoPro Media Mod for Hero11 Black, Hero10 Black, and Hero9 Black. And I believe it also will work with the new Hero12. Let's get started. First of all, the glue that they use on their boxes has to be stronger than their car suction mounts, man. Anyway, let's slide this out. Alright, we don't need the box anymore. So you get your directions and your lifetime warranty information. The GoPro mount. The little sock for the microphone to come in handy when you get into some windy situations. And the unit itself. Alright, so the Media Mod has a built-in directional mic that highlights voice audio and reduces ambient noises. Tough water-resistant construction withstands the elements. Also has two cold shoe mounts to attach your favorite lights, mics, and LCD screens. The 3.5mm mic port lets you add an external mic for enhanced audio. HDMI output to monitor your playback of your footage. So one of the reasons I got that is obviously for the microphone and the being able to add on a few extra things there. And they're talking about the cold shoe. You got one here. You got one on the side, so you can put a light and an additional microphone. But it comes with a microphone here, and then this clips right on, like so. And then this goes over the existing camera. You're going to remove the door there. That way you can plug. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to replace this door so you can keep this one open, keep it plugged in, all different sorts of things. So to me, this is a very handy piece of equipment, and I can't wait to put it on the camera and try it tomorrow for Christmas. Anywho, I'm going to wrap this up. This is a very short, sweet video, and in the description below I will put a link to get your own. Until next time, happy trails.